fans. Hi everyone. Ain't Abike Jagaban, what's up? Hello everyone, how are you? It's your CEO, Ajagungbade the first. Oluwamoton Solowolowo, Ijaya gbogbo àwọn sọ̀rọ̀sọ̀rọ̀. An lebo lẹ́yìn Jagulabi Abike lára wájú. Iná ń jó ògiri òsá fúnra rẹ̀. The great CEO, Dawogunduro of Manchester. Ajagungbade, one and only. Anyway, I'm calling on you all, my fans worldwide. Abike Jagaban fans worldwide. Age 18. And every other person out there that's got interest in my show to join me tonight at 9 o'clock. It's really going to be loud. The degree is quite high here today. So it's so hot in UK. I don't know where you're watching me from, but I know I've got fans, worldwide. So from wherever you're watching me from, I would like you guys to know that I will be coming out tonight at 9 o'clock UK time. So if you happen to be in America, in the States, I think that will be your 3:30 thereabout. If you're in Nigeria, we're sharing the same time now. So from whichever region you're watching me, just make sure that you join me 9 o'clock UK time tonight. It's gonna be really loud. Trust me. Abike Jagaban, Oluwamoton Sogongon. Ekun oko Asabi yewe inonjo ògiri òsá Dawogunduro of Manchester. Abike ọ̀rẹ́ gbogbo ayé ọmọ ńlá tí ò lọ́tà. Aṣàmùyàn kò ń bómi ṣọ̀tá. Abike ti domi báyìí tẹ́dà kò tó bá ṣọ̀tá ẹni tó bá ṣọ̀tá tó lóhùn lágídí irú ẹ̀dá bẹ́ẹ̀. Arúkẹ́gun ni bámbám ẹ̀ṣá ọmọ yín gangan. The CEO of No Cyber Bullying. When you bring it up, we serve it to you hot. You know what I mean, people. I daddy ginya say nice lórí so yìí nítorí pé show t'Ọlọ́run bá lọ́wọ́ sí ni. Wọ́n ní aṣòro ṣe bí nǹkan t'Ọlọ́run bá ò lọ́wọ́ sí. Adùn dánwò bí nǹkan t'Ọba mi Èdùmàrè tó fi ọwọ́ sí. So Ọlọ́run Èdùà ọba tó dẹ̀ mí àti yín ó fọwọ́ sí Abike Jagaban show. Ètò tó gbélé ni láti dáwọ́ ogun dúró. Ìṣòro ló jẹ́ fáwọn oṣù àwọn àjẹ́ àwọn ẹni bí àwọn ọ̀ka ayé láti máa wo Abike Jagaban. Wọn kì í lè stand ẹ̀ pé why is she coming out all the time? Yes, I'll be coming out all the time because I ain't gonna be susceptible to any form of bully out there. I am not one of the victims that they're going to shut up on social media. I am acting within my social media space, my own cyberspace. I have not come to anybody. This is my own, channel, my home forum, my home platform. And I can't afford to jeopardize my chances of gallivanting there because I'm scared of one idiot out there. Anyway, you all should join me at 9 o'clock. It's going to be really loud. The man go, oh my bad. Oh my loud God, loudest Lomawa. I become a year in Yao. I'm going to join him. Kuleko Boko Sofon Eba and Sofan on my way no more about joining Moboko Yawaleko get ready flagging aloud about my bad. It's really bad. Oh my bad going on this voice. If you voice me so how bad goes and you girls I tell you boys. Join him one morning. I'll let you know Nico ni dollar. One in late Nico ni dollar. Bayi lanche, bayi lanche. Bayi lanche or àwọn ọmọ tí ò gbọ́ràn o. Ẹkùn ọkọ Àṣàbí. Ìdágìrì fáwọn ọmọ alágídí lórí social media. Àwọn ògbẹ́ṣẹ́ rán mọ́ anybody ó sí oyin ẹ ṣáàrí mọ́mọ́ ó gallivant jù too much fàájì yìí náà ní nǹkan. Ìmọ̀ tí ń ṣe fara mi. Ẹ jẹ́ ń swing afro mi. Is one of its kind. I'm looking really nice today. I'm wearing my lovely long yellow Maxo dress because it's really hot in UK here. Honestly, mo wi sikin tele bo gan ki mo fategun sira mi leti bi sikin wo pata ati bra in like kai iyewe tu wa crop mi gigi ese yi na ni nkan ngba tawon o ba ri ru ese ti won ri photo ru e mu jade won mo binu ori ni emi gan mo je ni binu ori Abike si bi tenu binu ori Apeke enu binu ori Abike nu amo wa e sha mo e ma je nti jayin si ju e duro dale pe kilo ti e fe so lale yin aya yin je ma je kaya yin ja o gidigba ni mama wa in one love we start the Niger team. I ain't got time for anybody. I'm just doing my own thing, just me. Abike Jagaban show and no other. Anyway, I will see you all tonight. kékulé kó gbọ́ kó sọ fún toko ẹ bá ń polongo ẹ pé Àbíkẹ́ lòun jáde bọ̀ lálẹ́ yìí láago 9 UK time, and it's gonna be really loud. I love you all. Till I see you all this evening, you all should remain blessed. One love. Bye.